Hello friends, today how to make platinum yellow highlights. Intense blonde. What should we do to do this in detail? I will tell you about the hair first. We divide it into 5 main sections. E from the front, right, left, and back side 2, after leaving 5 main sections. Starting from the nape part, either too thick nor too thin in one piece. Take pieces and make pancakes by putting the hair in the foil with the retouch packaging technique. We will wait and until the hair turns platinum yellow. We are waiting here. We used E product, E opener oxidant. Confusing these two, we bring the herb to one consistency and apply it to the hair. I bought it in one piece from the first nape part, without ever separating. E make pancakes. I applied it because when it collects the nape parts, our model wanted to be more blonde. Therefore, from the nape part, I took it in one piece and applied it. The second part is too thick a guy. What a very subtle distinctio. VE. In one piece, I take a thin pinch, neither too thin nor too thick. I take it, and it's E. I make pancakes for the rest. A handle stays empty at the bottom thick piece. I apply one intensive packaging process to the other top. Here is the package E. I apply the lightener on the hair after making pancakes while applying it, and I apply it with upright brush strokes. Then I apply straight brush stroke. Hair the opener here. I penetrate it well one. And after doing, I continue my packaging process. I'm moving to the next one. Hair horizontal, one distinctio. I separate it into one piece straight by creating VE. Later, I'm not too thick nor too thin too thick. You get friends. When you make pancakes, a very thick piece remains. This time, when done with an opener, the hair does not open very clearly. That's why when you make a lot of pancakes, your hair will open well, so not too thick, by making distinctions. E. After that, so we need to continue our process. So we won't buy very thick pieces and E1. I take it in one piece, the next one. That is, the second piece is constantly. I have to do something a piece in between. I have to let it be naturalness E. Otherwise the hair will turn yellow like a complete dye. So between the hair, one piece, I have left, is this straight piece. After finishing the packing process, I pack it, then I move to the next level one, front of the hair. The same technique, left, from the back. Hair after applying horizontal straight piece so that there is not much left, putting it in one piece. The reason why I make pancakes on the bottoms, of traces on the bottoms, friends, crepe, natural look, process guinea hair, according to the length of the hair, length, neither too long nor too short, overflow when you pack it, guys, that are one click longer than hair. Application by cutting into the hair with upright brush strokes. Penetrating E. Penetrates the hair lightener well, completely, as you can see the packaging. Packed with technique. And so about 45 minutes. I'm waiting according to your hair growth. If the hair is well opened, I'm washing it if it doesn't open well. Low again 1. E. You can prepare it with the opener and go over it. To open even cleaner. Usually me. Because I did a good packaging process, I can wash in one piece. But sometimes, hair can be dyed before it can't be opened. What am I doing, a guy? Opener. Prepare it and go back to the hair and wait. After well opened, I'm taking the washing system. As you can see, we make a nice shampoo for the hair Because if we polish without shampoo, we don't get a good result. First, we remove that opener of your hair from the hair. We made pancakes with shampoo, then I comb. Yes, later. Friends, polish process is coming. Good in this polishing process 1 both cold tone. If you want a little colder, you can apply ashy tones. If you want a lighter tone, so don't be cold if you want warmer tones. So let's say number 10 as the main color. Number 11 if light color, number 12 if lighter. I usually use 12.0. I'm using 12.1 if we want it to be ashy. As you can see here, I used 12.0. Here and on the polish, I added purple shampoo and so I apply this purple shampoo for the last 1 minute. As you can see, I make that purple shampoo and then wash it immediately. Here, it cools the hair a little more and makes it more platinum. You also have this kind of hair. If you want, by reaching me from my social media address and coming to my solo profile service, you can get. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you take good care of yourself. Goodbye.